Hey, it's Izzy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook teriyaki stir fry. This is a really healthy recipe because it includes a lot of vegetables and it includes protein from the shrimp, omega-3 from the shrimp. It's not a lot of carbs and it's really tasty because of the teriyaki. This is my friend Leslie.
And that's my friend Izzy.
She's helping me record for my vlog, my final vlog for Adulting 101. There's my dog next to the Flonase. Hi.
Hi, dog.
Hi, Yuki. First thing you're going to do is get the ingredients from your freezer. The ingredients include stir-fry vegetable, got it from Costco.
Advertising.
It includes broccoli, mushroom, I believe this is butternut squash, carrots, bell peppers, a lot of good stuff. Now let's get out the shrimp. Also from Costco. Now what you're going to do with these is defrost them while you're preparing. So next, get your teriyaki's original sauce. Get some butter. Get your oil, not just any oil. Olive oil. Get your pan and also your spoon. So while you're preparing, make sure you defrost your stir-fry vegetables and your shrimp to make sure that they're ready for cooking. I recommend waiting around 15 minutes or so, 15 to 30, and you're good. Now that these have frosted, what I did is take out the shrimp, and now we are going to wash it to make sure that it's sanitary to eat. It's good to note that you wash your hands and stay sanitary throughout the whole cooking process, even before beginning to cook. Hey Leslie, you having fun with your butter coconut? Now first, we are going to cook the defrosted shrimp. Defrosted and cleaned shrimp. We're going to turn on the skillet. This is called a skillet, right? Make sure it's quite hot on high right there. And make sure to put your oil so it could be warmed up and ready to be cooked with the shrimp. Now make sure you don't put too much oil. Kind of eyeball it with just a bit to make sure you have enough to cook the shrimp. Right like that. That's fine. Not too much, not too little, just right. Enough to cook these shrimps. You know what, I may have put too much oil, but that's okay. Next, let's put the shrimp in. Ooh, really spicy. Put all of them in. And, oh god. Now, while cooking the shrimp, our goal is to have it be orange, but not too orange, to the point where it's burnt, you know? So just enough orange so that it could still cook a bit when we put the vegetables in. Now just keep kind of tossing them around to make sure they are thoroughly cooked, they're not burnt or anything. Make sure they're cooked enough that they're orange just like this. Light orange, because we're still going to be cooking it later when we add our vegetables. So I want to add a little bit more flavor to my shrimp. I'm going to cook them a little bit more, but adding garlic into it before I put my vegetables to add more flavor. 1 tablespoon or so, that's too much. Put it right there. Let's add a little bit more, just for the flavors, just a bit. There we that aside and add a little bit more olive oil to make sure that it could cook, because some of the oils got absorbed by the shrimp. Stir a bit more to mix in the garlic. Now that it's thoroughly cooked with the garlic, turn that off for now. Let it sizzle down. Now what we are going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the butter 1 tablespoon. You see it says 1 tablespoon right there. We're going to cut at that line to make sure we have 1 tablespoon. Or if you're going to be cooking a lot, you'll need 2 tablespoons, but in my case I will only need 1 tablespoon. Or I'll make it 1.5 so that it's not dry. So I'm going to cut between the 1 and the 2. There it is, 1.5. Now we're going to be putting our butter in, plopping it right there, turning this back on, and all around so that when we put our vegetables, it'll be nice buttery vegetables with flavor. And yeah. Now we're going to put our stir-fry vegetables, put it over there. I'm going to need to use both of my hands, so I'm going to be right back. And now there's vegetables in here. It really is a stir-fry. We're going to mix that right up. Keep mixing. I added a little bit more vegetables. You can see I defrosted the vegetables. It's still a little frosty, but not frozen, and it's being easily cooked. And if you look at the shrimp, because we didn't cook it too much a while ago, and we're cooking it again right now, it's not burnt, but it looks caramelized, and it's really tasty. And actually, I'm going to add a little bit more garlic for more flavor, and then we're going to put our teriyaki sauce. So take some garlic, a little itty bitty.
Restaurant?
Yes, you'll be the first taste tester. Little itty bitty 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 bitty. Stir, 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 fry, 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 mix, mix, mix. Here's 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. Oops, of teriyaki sauce. 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Just to be safe, I'm gonna add a little bit more teriyaki sauce to add a bit more flavor now. Now that everything is good and stirred and fried and mixed, let's turn off the skillet. A little bit more mixtures while the pan is still a bit hot. Turn on the vent so that all the smoky good does not look good. So now I'm adding around 2.5 more teaspoons of teriyaki. Tablespoons of teriyaki, so that there's just a little bit more topping of teriyaki that's not absorbed by the vegetables, and it's still pretty flavorous. Flavorous.
I'm hungry.
I shall feed you soon.
Thou shalt be fed.
This ain't no Panda Express. It ain't no Panda Express, sis. It's fresh and healthy and very nutritious. So now let that cool down, and then it will be ready to serve. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Okay, so here it is. I'm about to serve it. Okay, Leslie. Here are your chopsticks right here.
Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Leslie, and I'm going to try Izzy's famous dish, the Stir Fry Teriyaki.
Oh, it's hot. Okay, get some more.
That was the vegetables I ate first. I like it.
Really? Try the carrots. Very flavorous. And that's the butternut squash, I believe. It's good, right? What do you think? Hi, Grandma. Hi, Lola.
Personally, I think it's really well made. I think that it's nutritious.
So,
It's a type of dish that you can eat without rice. And I think that's good because a lot of people see rice as fattening.
what is it out of 10 Asian hats? 10 being the highest rating.
10.
Really?
I really like it, yeah.
Oh,
Cook more. I'm hungry.
Okay. Oh, I'm so glad you like it. So there we have it, guys. We have a really tasty and nutritious meal that was prepared and cooked around 45 minutes. Not too much, not too long. It's not hard to do at all. So actually it was like around less than 45 minutes. So way less. I don't know, 20 or something, 20 or 30. But yeah, thank you for watching my vlog. And I'll see you next time. This is really good. This is really, really good. This is like, what, like Leslie's third plate or something?
Yes.